Hustling is a short-term solution. It is never a long-time plan. Hello, hippies. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. My name is Courtney Shavante if you are new here. And today I have poured and mixed up some silicone, and we're just going to be making some silicone molds for orders. Hustle culture has really been running rampant in mainstream media, but I feel like it's been running rampant within our community for a very long time. I feel like people are getting so caught up with the day to day aspects of, just kind of running a business and stuff. They don't really think about the longevity and how to really make their businesses work for them. They get to the point where they're burnt out because they have their hands in every single part, which, typically is hustle culture. It means just kind of get it by any means necessary. It means being willing to sacrifice, like, just little things that may make you comfortable so that way you are able to get quick results. It's so important to remember that quick results aren't always the best and most lasting results. So, although you may see something pop up in the moment, if you really want this to be a business that supports you and your family and is something long term, and then you may want to start looking into some ways to make your business work for you and bring some other people on so that way you don't have to do every single little thing. Because if you burn out and you're the only person who is quote unquote capable of performing all the tasks, who's going to keep the business running when you need to take a break? You don't want the added pressure of feeling like everything is going to crumble the moment you take a break or walk away. So make sure that you're putting practices in play that will protect you and also just protect your state of mind and your peace. This is what we're all doing this for, right? Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or anything like that, and I'll catch you next time, hippies. XO.